If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandy. This is my channel where I like to show everything I am doing crafty, but mostly bag making. I have a ton of tutorials on here, and I'm here today to talk to you about the membership side of the channel where we have our live sew-alongs. So our sew-alongs are done Wednesdays between 3 and 5 Pacific time. You can do it through YouTube or you can do it through Zoom. What is amazing about doing it through Zoom is if you don't mind being on the screen, because it will show up on the YouTube side of the channel, you get to share what you're working on. You can stop me during the so-long saying, I'm having problems with this. You can show me your work and it can be like, help me, or look how awesome this turned out, or we can praise each other. And myself and other members, we can help each other along. There are other options for those that don't want to sew along live, which I will be getting into here momentarily. I really truly hope that you will consider the membership. We have a great group of bag making friends here, and we have such a great time. So I'm going to explain to you how the tier system works. There are 4 tiers. If you see me looking over to the left here, it's because I am reading off a list of what each of the tiers offer. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is tier number 1, which is the Beans Peeps Club. It starts at $4.99 a month. Now these are Canadian prices. Keep in mind, I'm not sure what they are in American prices. They will be cheaper in American prices because Canadian dollar is higher. Anyways, tier 1 Beans Peeps Club, it gets you loyalty badges. So there are these little colored stars next to members' names, and the longer they have been a member, the different the color the badges. So you get recognized as a member on the channel for just being part of the base tier, tier number 1 of Beans Peeps Club. We have some custom emojis in there that are a lot of fun that only members can use in the chat. You will get early access to any tutorials that I'm working on and finish, because I do release my tutorials on Tuesdays. When I finish off my tutorials, I upload them to the channel, and the Beans Peeps Club members get to have early access to those before they launch to the public side. You also will get sew-along replays that are 12 to 18 months old. So these are past sew-alongs that we have done that are 12 to 18 months old that you will get to watch and sew along with in replay mode if you like. So if you aren't one that's sewing along live, then you can always catch those replays. So that is tier 1 Beans Peeps Club. The next one is tier number 2, which is the replays of the last 6 to 11 months of sew-alongs. So it gets you everything that the Beans Peeps Club has to offer, but it also gives you earlier access to replays of those sew-alongs. The next one is our main tier, which is tier number 3, which is the Wednesday sew-alongs. Again, they happen between 3 and 5 p.m. on Wednesdays, keeping in mind that in December, July, and August, the sew-alongs still happen, but the bags chosen are my choice, and they are pre-recorded. Now, the reason we do pre-recorded in those months is December is holiday season and July and August is summer season, and a lot of people have a hard time joining for the sew-alongs, but they still want to be able to come back. I mean, you can always see as a tier number 3 member, you can always come back and see the sew-along replays, of course. But those months gives me a break and lets me have some holiday time with my family, and I can pre-record the content for you guys, so we have the best of both worlds. So it's live sew-alongs throughout the rest of the year, and then in December, July, and August, they are pre-recorded. Now, mind you, if something comes up during the year and I have to miss a Wednesday, I will do a pre-recorded sew-along for those days. It doesn't happen very often, but you never know. It sometimes happens, whether I get sick or a family emergency comes up, or say there's an appointment or whatever. It doesn't happen very often, but if it does, that content will always be available as well. That, of course, gets you all of the below tiers as well, so you get everything. Now, tier number 4 is VIP of the month, and that gives you everything, again, for the lower tiers, but it also gets you an entry into the draw that happens once a month for a $25 Canadian or $20-ish US e-gift card to the winner for any place that I can get an e-gift card for, whether it's Emmeline Bags or Galaxy Customs or Mormino or Swag or Sew Yours or wherever. So one person gets crowned the VIP Beans Peep Person of the Month, as well as I will send you out of my own pocket a $25 Canadian e-gift card of your choosing. So you can definitely use that wherever you like. We would be in contact. I do announce that on the Facebook page, as well as in the membership or the community feed of the YouTube channel. So you gotta keep an eye on that to see if you won. I will announce it during the so-alongs as well, and you have some time within that month that I announce it to get a hold of me to claim your prize. What else? What else? What else? What else? Oh, how do we choose our so long bags? Again, I will choose them on the pre-record months of December, July, and August, but the rest of the year they are voted in by the public side and the membership side of the channel. So what happens is from the 1st to the 15th of the month on the Facebook side. So if you need to join the Facebook group, that is linked down below. Make sure you come and join us. Everybody gets to, I put up a poll, and you can put in what you would like to see for the sew along. So currently it's September 2024 right now. We have a poll up right now for November. So we're always working a couple months ahead. So you can go, there's a list of designers that I can do tutorials and sew-alongs for. So you would check out that list, and then you would put it into the poll. You can enter in as many as you like, and then vote for your top 5. On the 15th of the month, I will take the top 5 winners of those nominations and move them to the YouTube side, which is in the community feed here. And again, the people on the public side do get to vote as well, as it results, if I don't already have one, in a tutorial for everybody to see. So then those top 5 move, and you'd vote for your top one, and the winner ends up being our sew along bag for November. At that point, I reach out to the designer to see if they're willing to offer or able to offer a discount code, which everybody gets to take advantage of course. I have always had such great designers working with me that have always offered that discount code. And again, that is open to the public side as well. So make sure you keep an eye on that public community feed and the Facebook page, because that is where once a month I will be posting those discount codes if I get them. So yeah, so again, members and subscribers get to decide on what the sew along bags, except for in those 3 months. So yeah, that helps us have a great range of variety of sew along bags to do, hopefully touching everybody's taste. This is great for beginners all the way up to experienced bag makers. It is just a really fun community to be part of. We have a really good group of friends already involved, and we just want to be able to grow the group as we go. So definitely check out the membership side. You can see some of the videos that are in there already. They're all listed in playlists on my channel, and see if it's something that sparks your interest. So right now I'm going to switch this over to share my screen so I can show you how you can sign up for the membership side. Okay, so when you go to, I should get this down, you go to my channel here, you'll see the top of the screen, you'll see my little intro for the trailer for my channel, but just below you're going to see our members, thank you channel members. And you're going to see this little button right here that says join. So you're going to click on that, and as you go down, you can gray out each area, and it'll tell you the cost of each tier and what you get with each tier. Keeping in mind that the higher the tier is, you get all of the tiers below it. So here's the Beans Peeps Club, like we had already discussed. It's $4.99 Canadian a month. You can cancel it at any time. So even if you just wanted to join for a month and binge the content, you definitely could. You get a loyalty badge next to your name. Depending on the color is how long you have been a member. So you can always tell in the chats who the members are by these little badges. We do have a few custom emojis. I will probably be adding more as I create more that only members can use in the chats. Again, you get early access to tutorials that says here bag of the month tutorials, but it's any tutorials that I'm doing as I release my tutorials on Saturdays. And then members only sew along replays 12 to 18 months old. After 18 months, all of the sew alongs go to the public side of the channel, so everybody gets a piece of it. It's just if it's the public side, you're waiting a year and a half for it. So if you wanted that tier, you'd go ahead and press join. Now, if you go to tier number 2, that's where you're going to see it's $10.99 a month Canadian. And that gives you replays of past so longs, 6 to 11 months, and everything the Beans Peeps Club has to offer. If you want that one, again, make sure it's grayed out and hit join for that. Next one is the main. I would like to say it's the main tier. It's the one that most people are in. We do have a few people in the VIP of the month one as well. So again, you get to participate in the live so-alongs from 3 to 5 Pacific time. And you get all of the other stuff as well as you get to participate via Zoom if you're going to be live. Now, the Zoom codes are given in the YouTube chat of the live feed. So you would have to go in there to get the member ID to join the Zoom if you choose to. You do not need to be part of Zoom, but it is a definite thing if you want to do it. Again, you will be on camera if you are on Zoom. And then finally, so that one's $19.99 a month Canadian. And then tier number 4, as we said, is $24.99 a month, and it gets you that entry for that $25 Canadian, 20-ish dollar American e-gift card of your choosing, and you get to be crowned Beans Peep of the month. So that, I really do hope that you guys will consider joining. We have such a great group, and if you have any questions about joining, definitely reach out to me and I can help you and answer any of those questions. All right, so that is the membership side in a nutshell. It is truly an amazing group of humans that are on the membership side of the channel, and we invite you to come and join us. Yeah, I hope that you all do. Again, you can join just from month to month if you wanted to. You just got to remember to cancel at the end of the so long before it renews. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Again, if you need any help or have any questions about the membership side of the channel, feel free to reach out to me via email, link down below, or over on the Facebook group. The Facebook group, I do have the link down below for you as well. So I really do hope to see you all join and come and have a lot of sewing fun with more sewing friends. Anyways, until I talk to you guys again, bye.